Hiccups can be pretty annoying, but what causes them? Let's take a look. Hiccups occur when your diaphragm, a muscle that helps you to breathe, suddenly contracts. This causes a quick intake of air that gets caught in your vocal cords. The sudden closure of your vocal cord produces the hic sound. Hiccups can be triggered by things like eating quickly, drinking carbonated beverages, or even stress. So, next time you get a hiccup, just remember they are quirky involuntary reaction from your diaphragm. Do subscribe for more cool science facts.